Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving guys a Yesstyle haul, and thank you Yesstyle for giving me a coupon to purchase these items. So I won't make this intro too long, so let's get into the video. Oh, also, before I do get into the video, I forgot to mention, I'm wearing the same outfit as my last video. It's because I just filmed my last video right now, so I didn't feel like changing. And yeah, pretty much I filmed this in all one day, so if you're wondering why, this is why. But anyways, yeah, to the haul. Okay, so the first thing I got is I got this blue top right here. It's long sleeve. It looks complicated when I'm not wearing it, but me modeling it like will make sense why it looks like this. So there was like a debate in the review saying like to either size up or not. I personally did not size up because they said that the sleeves looks weird like when it flopped. So I will leave that all to you, to your decision, but I did not size up, and I'm happy that I did not size up because it fits me perfectly and the sleeves things don't look too wonky when I wear it on, if you know what I mean. So the second thing I got is I got this this is a set. This is like a halter top, and then you would wear the long sleeves on top, and there's a buckle in the middle. So it's like a pretty simple but not simple at the same time, you know. It like spice it up your outfit even though it's a basic. I did size up for this, and yeah, size up for this if I were you, because this one fits me good and fits me perfectly. So the other thing I got is this right here. It's just another tank top. I just wanted to add more tank tops because summer's coming up, and this one looks really nice. So all of them do have the same material, like that stretchy knit feeling. So the other thing I got, I've been eyeing this for a long time, and I finally got it. I'm actually really happy. This one's my favorite item out of my whole purchase, and this is a crop blazer. Oh, this is so pretty. I've been wanting this, and I think I'm gonna get the other color too. The other color was like brownish olive color. It was like another neutral color, and this is really nice. I would definitely get this. This is one size, I believe, and it fits me good. So yeah. Then I got this. Okay, so I got this because I saw this is a dupe of what Jenny had in the Pretty Savage video. I think it's Pretty Savage. Yeah, this one, I think everybody should know what this is. It's literally the same exact thing. It's just a different brand, and it does come with sleeves. This one doesn't have stripes, but this one does have stripes, and it feels like the sock knit material, and it's pretty good. This one fits me perfectly. It fits me perfectly. I believe I got a size small, and yeah, it fits me perfectly. I feel like if I sized up, it wouldn't fit, like the sleeves thingy wouldn't fit me. So this one, I would have to leave it up to you guys and your measurements. So then I got another tank top. Okay, originally I was supposed to get this color green, but I ordered this like literally. Okay, I made a mistake when I ordered twice. I made this one and the other one I'll show you next. Do not order at 2 a.m. in the morning, because I was trying out the Yesstyle app, and I didn't pay attention because I was sleepy, and I was like, yeah, I have to order this now because of the, you know how like you have to wait, and Yesstyle like there's 1 day 24-hour, you know. And I didn't want to wait because I had to wait for which one, the blazer. Last time it was for 14 days or 14 something like that. And I was like, and then I went back to like 3 to 5 days. I was like, oh, I have to order this now. So yeah, this was a mistake. I got this one. I think it's still pretty cute. At first I was like, not sure about this, and I was thinking to return it, but I think I'm gonna just keep it because I actually like it. But the other ones, okay, I'm not keeping those because I made a mistake on that. But yeah, this one is size small, and I am gonna get the green version. Okay, so this is the one that I'm so sad. This is my fault. This one, I got this because of Jenny again. She was wearing it in the Pretty Savage, and I think everybody knows this look. It actually looks exactly the same, but it's just colored pink instead of yellow. Okay, let's take a moment of silence for this. Okay, but yeah, I really recommend this. The material is very stretchy, so yeah. luckily my friend likes it, so I'm just gonna give it to her, and I'm gonna repurchase it and get the right color this time, guys. I'm disappointed in myself, but it's okay because I'm happy with my blazer I got. It's so cute. And this one, okay, so this one, I say this one for last because it does not look like what was shown on the model, but it's okay, I guess, because in case if you might like it, everybody has different tastes, you know, but the material is really good. It's like a regular top, and it is actually, okay, this is actually growing on me. It didn't turn out how I wanted it to be, but I feel like I can make it work, you know. I don't know, I'm like iffy about this. If it's your style, then I would totally buy it. If it's not your style, then don't buy it, because it's not how it was pictured, and I'll show you how it's supposed to be pictured. Pretty much, yeah. So this is how it looks. Size small. I would size up if I were you. Do size up. Yeah, maybe if I sized up, maybe it'll look better. I don't know. It's just, it didn't really click on me when I first, like, at the same time, no one had a review on it. It was just one review with no photo, and they said 5 stars. This is so good, like, totally buy it. And then once I bought it, I checked back, and people did end up getting it, and they all had the same product. It wasn't the same as pictured, but yeah, pretty much. But overall, besides my mistake and that one, everything is pretty good. I really like it. Satisfied as always. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I know I haven't been posting because I've been busy with school and finals, but school is finally over. So yeah, I'm gonna be back to posting weekly, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So thank you for watching my video, and have a good day. Bye.